Welcome to Marcus Senior, the place where the outdoors and creativity meet technology. I'm Marcus Capelli Senior. Today we are in Big Bear skiing on Snow Mountain, and I want to test out how the Osmo Pocket is doing and also the Hero 7, GoPro's Hero 7. See how it works out, what is better to use for some kind of activity. Let's have fun. One time! Skiing down the mountains. I have the Osmo Pocket here on the selfie sticky, and I just want to see how it goes when I'm skiing down, if face tracking still works, and how well it does. Let's see. I'm not going fast, I'm just going slow. Just want to see how it goes and see if they can follow me. Looks like so far so good. Not sure about the focus, but we will test this in a little bit then. Sound is also coming from the pocket. Let's see. I'm backwards now. Ooh. I'm backwards faster. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Let's see how this works. Filming on the Osmo Pocket and on the GoPro. See how this works. Forgot to mention, both filters have a handy 16 filter Polar Pro that I got for the Osmo Pocket as well as for the GoPro. So I get a better shutter speed, so the motion flows more real, very fast speed on the Osmo Pocket to get more out of the reaction out of the Osmo Pocket, because I'm doing some sporty, so it's maybe closest to an action camera. I introduce you to my son, Michael. He's an avid gamer, and he's just about to start a YouTube channel himself. Actually, he motivated me to start one and to see how does it actually work. I was interested to see, so I can also help him then when he wants to do his. What kind of channel do you want to do? A gaming channel? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, in the future, whenever we have it up, or whenever he has it up, I will add a link here, so you can just click on it and follow what he is up to. Okay, let's start filming. It's a little faster this time. The sun is further down. See how it holds up. The Osmo Pocket and the GoPro. Pretty cool. Worked actually really fine. Now we have them both more or less the same picture, just one a bit wider than the other. See how it does. 60 frame, the other 24. Was anything scary of it?
Well, the steep parts.
Steep parts, but you did very well, huh?
Yeah.
That's on your third day of skiing, huh? 2 days last year and this year.
Like 2 and like a quarter day.
2 1/4, yeah, you're right, yeah, something like that. Okay, this was very, very funny. I just turned on the GoPro before and it told me it cannot stabilize because the battery is too cold. And afterwards I got an error, and the only way to get out of it I would have to format the card, which I don't want to do because then I will lose all my footage. So very interesting how the GoPro actually has a bigger problem if it gets cold. Now, Osmo Pocket is still running. It's not really that cold, it's maybe 35 degrees. Let's see if what else happens. I try to protect the sound here because it's often a problem when there's a little bit of a wind, motion wind, or real wind. So let's see how it works. But so far I'm pretty happy with the Osmo Pocket here. Performed actually better from what I can see than the GoPro, who had this cold battery error. Yes, unfortunately, I really hope I can fix this SD card because I think I got still some good footage, but I was really disappointed when this happened. Now the battery goes out on the Osmo Pocket too, but I had it actually all day long. I was shooting something from the early morning until now. It's 4:30, something like that, and it's pretty cold out there. Just have to put it in my pocket for a little bit to warm it up. It's pretty fun here. I'm so happy to be back on the slopes and enjoy the snow, the mountains, the outdoors. Now back on the GoPro, new battery, new SD card. Let's see how this works. Okay, I'm on the GoPro now. I changed the battery, I changed the SD card. This way I can actually see if I can salvage the footage from the other SD card. Let's see what will happen. I don't know about the sound because actually I'm recording on 60 frames per second, so no idea how this will come out in post. Never tried it out, but let's see. Let's go back home. Okay, good night. Have fun tonight. Okay, bye. But I'm driving now. It was fun being out here in the snow and ski for 2 days. It was fun also to test out the Osmo Pocket and the GoPro and see how well they perform, or not so well, in the harsh environment. It was freaking freezing cold and windy, and the sunshine, it was snowing. And let's see how the footage looks like and if we can use those two tools for this kind of environment. It was more action photography, and I know the Osmo Pocket is more general camera, general gimbal. Let's see. Anyway, bye for now.